Hello guys, welcome back to Country Legends. Today we are back here with another brand new drone flight. We're in this nice area. What we're going to do, we're going to take off without further ado. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to go to the max height. Let's get a 360 view of the area. Let's see what's below. So in the area called Bethnal Green in London. So we're going to go to the max height and do a 360 photo. Alright, let's do a 360 photo. Alright, so we're going to start recording now. I'm going to zip around.
Where is it basically?
Right on top.
Where is it? I can't see it.
Right above.
I really can't see where it is.
Right on top, man. Stay high, yeah?
Okay.
How's it going? Good?
Yeah. So this was the way to go ahead?
Yeah. Don't go too far, yeah? You're gonna get shots of me, bro. Appreciate it.
Can you do that?
Yeah, I'm turning it on, don't worry.
You're like, I'm gonna make it lost.
I said no go too far.
Okay, I'm gonna bring it, don't worry. I'm playing with it.
Bring it back. Have your drone now.
Switch it on, please.
It's on, it's on. You have to unlock it.
Wait. Let me bring it back to the position.
Yeah.
Wait. Let me take it back.
It's right there, it's right there.
Where?
Right there. Give it back now.
I'm gonna bring it down. Wait.
I know it is. Wait, let me do it.
I know how to use it.
Listen. Take
Is it
yours.
on?
Yeah. Let me get my shots
You
now.
didn't switch it on.
It's on. Right. Start recording as well. Let me just zip around as well. I'm gonna get a static shot. We'll see the trains go around as well. Got this nice building over here as well. I'm gonna follow that bus. There's a screen recording, yeah? Shall I screen record for you?
Let me put it on. You sure this tree is stupid?
I'm recording it. I'm recording the areas. Bethnal Green area. I'm saying screen record.
So why it says connecting?
Let's follow the bus.
You can go ahead. You don't make me go ahead. You rude man.
No,
I was going to bring it back as well,
I know.
but you don't like the way I mistake.
They get a nice shot of this area. They get a shot of the bus as well.
I gave them my big ass coat to go home. My big ass coat. And now that's my
RC not connected.
Why not shut the bus? Look at that.
RC not connected.
Turn it on. Is it on? Is it connected properly?
Hello?
Hello.
RC not connected to mobile device.
That's weird. We'll do it after. Let me finish my drone flight, then we'll do it after. Shot of the area. Look at that nice shot.
Point the camera at your face and press and hold the mode button to take off.
Look at that shot. The train coming. What is the overground train? No, it's yes, overground. Hold it properly. Get a shot of this train as well. This is a
Why?
National Express. Obstacle detected. Don't hold it too hard, yeah? Looking at the train as well. You're recording as well, yeah? Record as well. Hey, why are you in that mode? You're in the wrong mode. You're flying wrongly. Wait.
You're not going right way.
You're in the wrong mode.
What do you mean?
We'll do it after. Just use it with your phone now because you enabled it in the wrong mode. So this is my friend's DJI Neo. Let me go a bit far because the noise is too noisy of the drone. So he's following me with the drone. You can see. You're landing it, yeah? Alright then, I'm gonna just zip around then. Oh, it's going up. Don't hit the tree, yeah? You're close to it. If the drone gets stuck in the tree, it's it. It's lost. Be careful. Look at that. Nice shot. I'm going to follow your drone as well as it goes up. You're getting close to that tree, bro. We're at different altitudes, so it's alright. See that? Oh my god, that's so close. Insane. Don't hit that tree, yeah? Don't go close to me. You don't want to hit, you don't want to bump heads. That'd be catastrophic. What a nice shot. You're getting close to the tree, bro. Alright, I'm just gonna go up now. Where's your drone? Down there? Let's get a shot of it with London skyline. Look at that. The Canary Wharf skyline. Oh my god, that's a sick footage. I'm gonna focus on it. Don't bump heads. Don't hit me. See, because drone's right there. Look at that. I'm trying to see it in the sky, that's why. If our drone's hit, yeah, that's it. You like it, yeah? I've got good footage of your DJI Neo while it's in the sky. Are you recording? Yeah? Cool. I want to include the footage. Yeah, this is some nice footage. Got 40% as well. I'm gonna get footage while the drone's in the sky. We're getting so close. Let's focus on it. You know, I'm just gonna zip around now. I want to use the battery. Landed.
Is it mine?
Yeah, it's yours.
Is it low?
Oh, it's Wi-Fi interference. You're going too far. That's why.
Should I come down?
No, it's fine. Because it's just Wi-Fi interference. Just come closer. Yeah, come down and then you should have no problem. I'm just going to get a shot of my drone going there. You can see that travel lodge over there. Nice footage. Let me go far from your drone. It's making too much noise. I use most of my battery following his drone. It's funny. I should have zipped around Bethnal Green. We'll do it next time. This is also fun, getting footage of the DJI Neo. Look at that bus. Nice shot. Let's go down here. I want to explore this area. Alright, let's start him back. Getting a lot of interference as well. It's fine, we're not getting that much interference. a shot of these bikes as well. Look at that golden hour shot. Just getting footage around. Around the park as well, Bethnal Green Park. Also we're flying. Battery's quite low now, 25%. We're going to land it in a bit. Get a shot of this area as well. There's a focus on it. Where else should we go? Let's go down here. Actually, we're quite low. We're just gonna stay local now. There's another field over there. We can go there as well next time. Fly there. Get shots there. So what I'm gonna do now, I want to get a close-up shot of that building over here. Alright, we're gonna land it now. Just finish this shot off. I'm gonna land it. Our friend's drone is still flying over there. Where is it? Let's try and find the camera. It's way up there. Way up there. My drone's gonna make beeping noises now, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna come down. Alright, drone flight's complete. My friend's still finishing his drone flight.
No battery for me. I'm gonna have
We've got to land it.
to.
I'm gonna stop this video now.